Welcome to MKB Captain. Today we compare the two big smartphones in this video, Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max and Huawei Mate 30 Pro. Watch this video till the end and I will tell you some pros and cons in the end of this video. Stay tuned. As you can see, the both phones have a great specs, and final result you see, this result is based on number of specification, and I did not give winner trophy to anyone. So let's talk about some more deep detail of both phones. iPhone 11 Pro Max has a triple camera system, and the Huawei Mate 30 Pro has a 4 camera, and Huawei has a 3D depth sensor. The iPhone 11 Pro Max has a similar but 6.5-inch OLED, with the Huawei Mate 30 Pro has a dual curve display, upping that to 5.3-inch. Huawei support 40-watt fast charging, while the iPhone 11 Pro Max shipped with an 18-watt QI wireless charger. Both phones pack custom silicon Huawei Kirin 990 chip powers the Mate 30 Pro, while the iPhone 11 Pro Max run on Apple ON A13 Bionic chip. Both will be very fast, but Apple appears set to be significantly faster. The iPhone 11 Pro Max shipped with Apple latest operating system iOS 13, while the Huawei Mate 30 Pro won't have any Google apps or service on its Android 10 based operating system, courtesy of its US legal troubles. Both manufacturers have made their own 7nm silicon here. The Mate 30 Pro comes with Huawei latest Kirin 990 chip. It's likely to be a decent setup from the Kirin 980 that provide so effective in phone like the Huawei P30 Pro. However, it's highly unlikely to approach the performance capability of the iPhone 11 Pro Max A13 Bionic chip. It says to be 20% faster than the A12, which still trumps any other chips on the market as things stand. One area where the Kirin 990 does have bragging rights, however, is with its support for an integrated 5G modem. However, this will only apply to the dedicated and more expensive Huawei Mate 30 Pro 5G, not the regular Pro. The Huawei 8GB of RAM double that of the iPhone 11 Pro Max, but the difference between the operating system renders this point pretty meaningless. Ultimately, both will be very fast, but it's the iPhone that we are expecting to top all the benchmark tests. These two flagship phones are slabs of premium glass and metal, but aside from a similar long and flat screen notch, which means both support advanced 3D facial recognition, they don't look too alike. The iPhone 11 Pro Max has also 28 grams heavier than the Huawei Mate 30 Pro, which is not actually that much when you consider the size difference. Things should be much closer when it comes to camera performance. Huawei has been one of the front runners in recent years, to the point where it's Apple that has work to do to catch up. It's impossible to call a winner at the point, but it could be quite close. The Mate 30 Pro comes with a 4500 mAh battery, which is bigger than the iPhone 11 Pro Max 3969 mAh unit. We have been impressed with the stamina of Huawei phone of late, so we will not be surprised to see it's dominating this area. Huawei Mate 30 Pro is only come with a 8GB RAM and 250GB storage, and for more storage you can use up to 512GB micro SD card, and it's come with two versions, 4G and 5G. Also 5G is little bit expensive. Also iPhone 11 Pro Max has come with only 4G and 3 variants, 64, 256 and 512GB, and the micro SD card option is not available for an iPhone user. Difference between the color is not a big. Huawei Mate 30 Pro comes with a 6 color: black, space silver, cosmic purple, emerald green, orange and forest green. And the iPhone 11 Pro Max comes with only 4 colors: space gray, silver, gold, midnight green. Huawei has not yet announced any UK release plan for the Mate 30 Pro, but price will start from $1,157. The iPhone 11 Pro Max is available from the 20th September with the price starting from $1,099. So this is the detailed comparison between these two big phones. Comment below which phone you most like and want to buy, and also like the video and subscribe channel for more teach related videos.